You've probably seen the craze with all the Mac Minis and OpenClaw, and people are just going out to the store and buying $600 USD Mac Minis to host this amazing AI agent. You actually don't need to do that. It only requires a $20 per month subscription, and you can install it within seconds. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can do that to run OpenClaw on your own server. And you don't need to be technical. You don't have to feel as though you are just bogged down with all the technicalities. If you want to just run it up and pretty much just get something started so that you can play around with it, this is the perfect way to do it. If you want to set up properly, I will share in another training on how to set up properly using a VPS or even a local device as well. So let me share my screen. If you don't know already, this is Emergent. So Emergent is a SaaS platform where it can build SaaS apps and all these different things that you can, pretty much solve problems to. So it's an AI agent that helps you build apps, right? So the subscription for the Pro plan is $20 USD per month. You can play around with it with a few credits, but I suggest if you want to go and just play around with it, get some ideas, you can go ahead and do that. So obviously we're in here right now, and what we can do is we go to this button here called Moltbot. So as you can see, Moltbot or ClaudeBot or OpenClaw is an AI agent that runs without you commanding it what to do. So it pretty much creates a AI agent that does things and is the true AI agent that does things when you just message it on Telegram or WhatsApp. So you can connect it to a text platform like Telegram, Slack, Discord, or WhatsApp, and from there you can use it as a remote control to a command center, and in that command center you can then use OpenClaw to, I don't know, generate leads, to collect emails, to make money in the sense of using AI for certain things like SEO and that kind of stuff. Like anything marketing, it can do. Any picture generation or video generation, it can do as long as you give the chosen APIs. One thing I do suggest is that if you do sign up to platforms that require OpenClaw, do not use your main account. Always use a dummy account. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm obviously using one of my main accounts, but if I were to do this again, I would create a dummy account so that all the APIs and everything are not towards a main account. And in regards to API credits, use a credit card that is not a credit card, but a debit card that you can put funds in so that it doesn't get spent without you knowing. So we're going to run it. So obviously here is the installation. So we're going to click install. And then it's just setting up the environment. So it'll take 1 to 2 minutes. You can see all of the initiation. You can see the commands as well. You don't really need to be technical. And I find that the setting up of OpenClaw on a VPS is very technical. So all you need to do is just wait and we'll wait for it to load. All right, so as you can see, it's completed the installation. And what you can do is you can sign in with Google. So what I would do, so it's you can preview it or deploy it. So your Modbot server will shut down after inactivity, deploy to keep it running. So let's sign in with Google. Let's log in. Okay, so you come to the setting here. Now you just start OpenClaw. So it's configured with Opus 4.5 and GPT 5.2. So there's no API key needed. Okay, so it started successfully. And now we have the dashboard and we've logged in as well. So from here, you can connect your Telegram or your WhatsApp, your Google Chat, your Discords, and you can pretty much get it to uh, really just look at the different chats as well. So the thing I want to bring you to is this. So there's these things called skills. And with skills, what you can do is you can add in certain skills. And then from those skills, like for example, it's got the coding agent, which is a very useful one. Gemini, CLI, one shot, QA summary and generation. So there's the GitHub as well, which is already in there. Local places, that's really cool. We'll install Nano Banana because that's actually very useful. Oh, so we got to insert our API key. That's fine. Yeah, so you can have a look at all the skills here. I find that these are very useful for what we're doing. And then each one has a node as well. So you have all the nodes too. I think the main thing though, it's like you can interact with it. So like you can go create me a email campaign for marketing agencies looking to scale via influencers and KOLs. So pretty much you can talk to it. It will come back with a, a response. But that's pretty much set up. So now you just have to set up the Telegram and all that kind of stuff as well. So it's using the API. So how I normally do it is I would run it through a VPS and then get it to access my APIs there. And I'm using Claude 4.6. But it says here, okay, what's it saying? It's saying refresh recommended. Okay. Okay, there we go. Cool. So it's come up with an email campaign, scale your agency with influencer marketing, problem day one. Okay, quick question, etc., etc. So it's giving me this, and then what you can do is you can, obviously connect it to Telegram, and Telegram will do that as well. So you can do it from your phone rather than just being on the computer all the time. So this your Claude bot, OpenClaw console. As you can see, it's already deployed in here. You can even, so it's already got it through this link. So you get a link already. So yeah, it's all here already. But yeah, you can access it through Emergent. But yeah, that's pretty much the easy setup on how to get ClaudeBot slash OpenClaw 2 a running instance without you installing and buying a VPS or a Mac Mini. But yeah, that's pretty simple. If you want the link to Emergent, I will chuck that into the description, but be sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And I'm going to share more about OpenClaw as well as everything AI. So we'll catch you in the next one and enjoy this video.